put it low and as soon as the fire bleed. I ain't with the fire, I'm on retreat. They know this up and ain't out of their reach. Hold on. You know what I'm saying?
Oh God, you have to subscribe. It never ends out here. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's
so they got a what? They
endless.
Family Binx, ongoing what's going on, Binx family? Welcome back to another dreadlock video. Alright, so today we're doing a very requested video that I've seen a couple of y'all comment down below in the comment section of some of my copying famous hairstyles videos. So some of the styles out of those videos, you guys picked out individual ones and you guys wanted an actual full tutorial on how to do it. So what I say at the end of most of those videos is that I will make a whole series on how to do each individual style. So this video is the first start of that series. But first thing is first, when we do any type of hairstyle, we gotta make sure we wash our dreadlocks. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump in the shower real quick and I'm gonna give my dreadlocks a quick wash. Put it low and as soon as the fire bleed. I ain't with the fire, I'm on retreat. They know this up and ain't out of their reach. Alright, Binx family, as you see, my boy got the freshly washed dreads, you dig? Hold on, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get straight into what you guys need to do this hairstyle. The first thing that y'all gonna need is gonna be a water bottle, any type of spray water bottle with a little spray thing right here so that you can wet your hair throughout this whole process to make sure your hair doesn't get dry. The next thing you're gonna need is any type of oils, you know what I mean? Just so your hair can stay shiny, healthy looking, because once you get your hair in a hairstyle, usually you're probably not gonna take it out for at least like 2 weeks. Now moving on to the stuff that you're gonna need for the actual retwist itself, is gonna have to be this comb right here. Not even this comb, just any comb in general. Now what's gonna hold your retwist is gonna be your locking gel. Right here I got this mango and lime locking gel. I've been using this for like the past like year and a half, you know. I really don't use any type of grease, wax, none of that stuff. Last but not least, you're gonna need your rubber bands to make sure you guys can hold your hairstyle in, because we don't want to waste all that time doing this hairstyle just for it to come out and look like crap in like 2 days. Now that's everything that you guys are gonna need for this hairstyle. Now it's time to move on to the actual tutorial. Let's go. So I'm just gonna use this much coconut oil. It's not that much, you know what I mean? And when I rub it in my hands, it spreads out. As you see, it's like real. We're just gonna rub it throughout our hair, make sure it gets everywhere, you dig? I'm just gonna get a little dab because we already put the coconut oil in our hair. I apologize for not mentioning this. You're actually gonna need clips as well, just so you can hold your dreadlocks in place when you retwist them. I usually show you how to do this in every single tutorial video I do, and that's just how to retwist your hair, or just the way I do it. I'm gonna give my hair a quick spray, you dig? All I'm doing is just getting the comb, pushing the rest of the hair to the side, like that. So I'm gonna just go like this from like the root itself. I'm gonna comb it up, like that. Now that I got all the new growth, I'm gonna use a little bit of this locking gel. Not way too much, but I'm gonna end up putting it at the roots right here. Oh, just gonna rub it in the roots. All right, then I'm gonna rub it throughout the hair, you know, try to prevent a little bit of frizziness, you know. But anyway, now I'm about to just twist my hair clockwise. Make sure you twist all your dreadlocks the same direction. Don't twist one clockwise and the other one counterclockwise, because then your dreads are just not gonna look the same. And then just to keep your dreadlock in place, you're gonna wanna use your clip like this. You're just gonna put it in your hair, like that, to keep your dreadlock laid down and twisted until it dries. Now I'm about to retwist all my dreadlocks and I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Okay, so anyway, as you guys see, a lot of stuff has changed. Now only have I changed 3 outfits in this one video.
What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000!
I actually got a haircut, plus my hair is actually twisted, you know what I'm saying? So now it's time to get into the hairstyle itself. Now I'm gonna make this hairstyle as easy as possible for people to copy. So step one of this hairstyle is just gonna be separating your hair. You're gonna work on one side at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off with 3 dreadlocks. So what I'm gonna do is kind of secure the root real quick. So basically how you box braid, all you wanna do is have 3 strands of hair to begin with. You're gonna cross one of the end dreads over the middle dread like this, right? And then you're gonna pull the middle dread to the side. And then you're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna switch over to the other dread. You're gonna cross it over the middle like this, and then pull the one that was in the middle to the side. You just kind of go back and forth doing that. And eventually, you end up getting a box braid. Now I hope you understood how we did that. Now we're gonna add that to the hairstyle real quick, just to start it off. So I'm gonna do the box braid real quick. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm just do that like 3 times, just to make sure the root is secured in the front. Boom, and then boom. All right, now I just got a box braid at the roots. It's all tight and secure. Anyway, now we got that out the way. We're gonna go into a barrel twist. All we're gonna do is basically get 1 piece of hair and wrap it over the 3 dreads that we have right here that we started with. We're just gonna wrap it over like that, just wrap it around. You know what I'm saying? Then we're just gonna pinch the dreads together like that. So we grab the dread from this side of my braid, we're gonna actually grab another dread from like now the top. And you kind of want to grab like the closest one to the braid. You don't want to grab like a dread all the way back here and try to add it. I'm gonna wrap it around like that. Then I'm just gonna tighten it to my head by pulling it like this. And then I'm gonna just squeeze it. So I'm gonna do the same exact barrel twist process all the way to the back of my head. So just so I don't gotta hold this braid so it don't come loose, I just put a rubber band right in the back like this. Alright, Binx family, it's time to put the finishing touches on the braid. Now once again, how you do this, it's basically an easy box braid in the back. It might take you some time to get your fingers used to how to box braid. I'm gonna try to make the amount of dreads I grab even as possible. Now I got 3 sections of dreads. Now when you do this, make sure you braid over. Instead of going under with the box braid like that, make sure you go over the top, right? Then put the middle section to the side. And then do the same thing, make sure you go over the top like this. And then pull the middle dreads to the side. Make sure you go over the top again with these dreads. And then pull the middle ones to the side. Then you're just gonna keep on doing it until you get to the end. Alright, Binx family, I am finally done with the hairstyle. I finished the last braid. I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360 so I can show y'all what it looks like. If you are new to the channel and this video helped you out in any way, shape, or form, make sure you guys subscribe. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers before 2020. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. It'll be right here on the screen. I'll make sure to post every day on my story, but as well as I always give updates when I drop a video. So if you don't have the notification bell pressed, you get notifications on my other social media. But you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next video.